In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use fast with Grok 3. Let's get you moving quickly and confidently so you can turn ideas into results in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to Grok's website. Right on the main page, you'll see a chat box. That's your workspace. Anything you type there is how you talk to Grok, and the responses will appear just below, like a running conversation you can keep building on. Before you type your first prompt, set the response mode to fast. Look for the model or speed selector in the chat interface and click fast so it's clearly active. Fast mode is designed for rapid answers and quick iteration. It's great for brainstorming, drafting, and getting multiple variations without waiting around. Keep in mind, speed can sometimes mean slightly less depth, so you can always refine with follow-ups. Now think about what you want and say it clearly. The clearer your prompt, the better the output. Be specific about the goal, the constraints, and the format you want back. For example, you could say, generate 15 online business ideas under $200 startup cost, present in bullet points, add one line profit potential for each. That single message tells Grok exactly what to do, how many ideas you want, your budget limit, the structure of the response, and an extra detail to include. That level of clarity saves you time and usually produces a stronger first result. After you send your prompt, the result may take a moment. You might see a typing indicator as Grok works through your request. Avoid resending the same message while it's generating because duplicates can slow things down or clutter your thread. Give it a beat to finish. Once the result is ready, take a quick scan. Does it match your intent? Are the details and formatting what you asked for? If it's close but not perfect, don't start over. Keep the momentum by asking a question or giving a direct command right in the same chat. You can say things like, sort these from highest to lowest profit potential. Expand idea number 3 with a 3-step launch plan. Or rewrite this as a 1-page summary. The key is to be decisive and specific so fast mode can deliver, well, fast. That's the flow. Open Grok, use the chat box, switch to fast, write a clear prompt, wait for the response, then refine with questions or commands. Try it now and build your rhythm. Clarity in, quality out, quickly.